Tammy Slaton, the larger-than-life personality at the center of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, has long been a topic of fascination for fans across the world. With her tough exterior, deeply emotional journey, and unpredictable family dynamics, Tammy's life has become public property in a way few reality stars ever experience. But recently, what really sent fans into a frenzy wasn't another health update, family feud, or romantic mishap, it was a surprising glimpse into Tammy's past. When childhood photos of Tammy Slaton surfaced online, longtime viewers of the show were left stunned. The innocent, round-faced child shown in the photograph seemed like a world away from the struggling woman viewers have come to know on television. These rare snapshots tell a story far more emotional than any one-liner on reality TV ever could. For years, fans have watched Tammy wrestle with her weight, her mental health, her family issues, and even brushes with death. But very little has been shared about the origins of her pain. Now, with these newly revealed images, the curtain has been pulled back just enough to invite a wave of curiosity, empathy, and, for many, heartbreak. The photos, which appear to be from the early 1990s, show a very young Tammy with bright eyes, a gentle smile, and no indication of the battles that lay ahead. In one image, she stands next to her sister Amy, both girls in oversized t-shirts, messy hair tied up, their arms wrapped around each other. They appear carefree, caught in a moment that likely felt ordinary at the time but now seems priceless. In another, Tammy is sitting in the grass holding a popsicle, wearing bright yellow overalls and a scrunchie in her hair, her cheeks chubby in the way only childhood can justify. These photos tell of a childhood not yet weighed down by addiction, shame, or judgment. And yet, the eyes of adult fans can't help but read the foreshadowing in every frame. Social media exploded after the photos began circulating. Some fans wept openly in the comments, saying they saw their own struggles reflected in young Tammy's eyes. Others expressed anger at the system, at the lack of support, at the adults who should have done more. "It's just so sad," wrote one user. "She was just a kid. She didn't choose this." Another added, "These pictures hit me hard. You can tell she was already carrying more than her weight." And then there were those who saw the images as a moment of reckoning for how the world treats people like Tammy. "We judge the grown woman without understanding the little girl she used to be," one post read. Tammy herself has remained mostly quiet about the photos, neither confirming nor denying their authenticity, though sources close to her suggest they are genuine and were likely shared by a family member. If that's the case, it wouldn't be the first time someone from Tammy's inner circle leaked private materials. The Slaton family, for all its unity on screen, has a history of internal tensions that often bleed into the public. Still, even without Tammy's direct comment, the emotional weight of these childhood images is undeniable. They provide a rare and haunting look into the early years of a woman whose life would soon spiral into a health crisis so severe that it nearly ended in tragedy. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters already know that Tammy's road has been anything but smooth. The show has documented her lifelong struggle with food addiction, which began at a young age and spiraled out of control as she entered her teenage years. According to interviews over the years, Tammy and Amy both began turning to food as a source of comfort due to difficult family circumstances. Their mother Darlene worked long hours to support the family, often leaving the sisters to fend for themselves. With little supervision, almost no access to healthy meals, and zero education about nutrition, the girls found solace in junk food. The trauma, neglect, and isolation planted seeds that would later grow into full-blown dependency. The newly surfaced childhood photos now provide a visual reminder of just how early these patterns may have started. In one particularly haunting image, Tammy appears no older than 7, standing barefoot on a gravel road, a can of soda in one hand and a bag of chips in the other. She looks toward the camera, not smiling but not unhappy either, just blank. It's the kind of image that could easily be brushed off as normal, yet under the lens of hindsight, it becomes almost tragic. These are the moments that fans now understand shaped the woman who would one day cry on national television, scream at family members out of frustration, and fight for her life on a hospital bed. Mental health professionals have weighed in as well. Dr. Linda Harron, a clinical psychologist who has spoken extensively on trauma and obesity, explained in an online forum that Tammy's story is a textbook case of unresolved childhood trauma manifesting in adulthood. These photos are heartbreaking, not because of what we see, but because of what we know, Haran said. Obesity is often the surface issue. Underneath, there is pain, shame, neglect, and unresolved emotional wounds. When we see Tammy as a child, we don't just see her, we see the origin of the storm. Some fans and experts alike have suggested that perhaps TLC and the producers of 1000 LB Sisters have failed Tammy by not exploring her past more deeply on the show. While there have been occasional mentions of childhood struggles, the focus tends to stay on her weight, her treatment, and her dramatic reactions. These pictures show us a side of Tammy that deserves empathy, one longtime viewer wrote in a Reddit forum. She's not just the angry sister. She was a little girl once. She deserved a chance. This rising tide of public sympathy could mark a turning point for Tammy. In recent months, she has made noticeable progress in both her physical and emotional health. After a life-threatening stint in a rehabilitation center, she managed to shed over 400 pounds and began to re-engage with the world in a more hopeful way. Her appearances on TikTok have become more light-hearted, her smile wider, her tone gentler. It's as if the unveiling of these childhood photos came at just the right time, not only for fans to reevaluate their perceptions, but for Tammy herself to confront the little girl she used to be. Therapists often talk about inner child work, the process of healing trauma by acknowledging and comforting the younger version of oneself. If ever there was a case for such a process in the public eye, it's Tammy Slaton. And perhaps, in some roundabout way, these old photographs have opened the door to that journey. The images, though simple, are now etched into the collective memory of 1000 LB Sisters fandom. They remind us that before Tammy was the difficult one, the dramatic one, or even the sick one, she was simply a child, vulnerable, unguarded, and deserving of love. The newfound spotlight on Tammy's early life has also reignited questions about the role of family dynamics in the Slaton sisters' ongoing struggles. Amy, who has often been portrayed as the more responsible sibling, has also shown signs of emotional distress throughout the series. The childhood photos that include both sisters have reminded viewers that Amy, too, shared in the difficult upbringing. Some fans now wonder whether both sisters have downplayed the severity of their early years in an effort to protect their family or perhaps themselves from judgment. It wouldn't be the first time reality stars chose to shield certain truths from the camera. Meanwhile, fans are calling on TLC to produce a deeper, more emotionally intelligent version of the show, one that gives space for reflection, backstory, and healing. Whether the network will heed that call remains to be seen, but it's clear that audiences are hungry for more than shock value. They want authenticity, redemption, and most of all, they want to believe that people like Tammy can heal. These photos, then, are more than a viral moment. They are a cultural reset, reminding us that behind every outburst, every struggle, every mistake, there is a history. And sometimes, that history is written in crayon on the back of a childhood photograph. As the buzz continues to swirl around Tammy Slaton's childhood pictures, one truth becomes unmistakably clear: no one is born broken. Life happens, and people survive the best way they know how. For Tammy, that survival came with a price: decades of physical and emotional pain. But survival is still survival, and now, perhaps for the first time in her public life, the world is seeing her not as a cautionary tale, but as a person. A human being who, once upon a time, was just a little girl holding a popsicle and trying to find her place in a world that didn't make it easy. In the end, that may be Tammy Slaton's most profound legacy. Not just the drama or the weight loss or the wild ride of reality TV, but the raw, unfiltered truth of her humanity. These newly surfaced childhood photos have revealed more than a forgotten past. They've uncovered the lost innocence, unspoken trauma, and enduring strength of a woman who, against all odds, is still standing. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.